Keyword parameters: argument passing, parameter receiving. Positions of variable, you can change it, but variables names are same. If you will give the different variables name, so then it will work just like a positional parameters, not keyword. Okay, so in the keyword parameters, remember that variables name should be same in both place. Which place? Parameters and arguments. Okay, now we will see through the examples. I have taken here three examples. Okay, so first, def, define the function header. Function name is sub, two parameters I am passing a comma b. Then s equal to a minus b, I am doing here subtraction, then print sub up to numbers equal to s. These variables I call. Which one? This one. Now sub function calling, in the function calling b equal to 45, I changed the position of the which one? Variable. I changed the position of the variable, but I did not change the variable name. Look at here, in the argument b, a, same variables I have taken, whatever I am receiving in the function header, right? b equal to 45, that means this b value is 45, right? A equal to 67, so this a value is a equal to 67. Whenever you will subtract it, because a minus b has given, not b minus a minus b. So 67 minus 45, whenever you will do it, then you will get it result 22. So subtraction of two numbers equal to 22. Now we will see through the input method. Same function header, then subtraction, then print command. Now come here through the input method. I have taken two variables, another variable c and d. Now b equal to c, because you know that in the keyword parameters we cannot change the variable name, so that is why this c and d I have to call here. So b equal to c. So c and d, two variables I have taken for input, and these two variables will store it in the b and a place, because in the parameters receiving this function, in these sub functions a and b only. So b equal to c. This is the b value and this is the a value, a equal to b. Okay, so c value, that means this one we will call first c. So 67. So b value is 67, a value is 45. Okay, and subtraction a minus b. So 45 minus 67, whenever you will do it, so minus 22 you will get it. Okay, now come to the third one. Here two different variables I have taken for input command. I am taking here now same variables for input command, and then also I have to say that in the where, in the argument place b equal to b, a equal to a. If you will not write, then what happened? It will take, if you will write a comma b, yeah, b comma a. Suppose if you have written b comma a, then what happened after? Don't write like this. Suppose b equal to b equal to a. If you will not write b comma a, if you will write, so then this b value will come to here a, and this a value will come to b place. That means it will do the work just like a positional parameter. Okay, it will not take as a keyword parameter. So that is why in the keyword parameters we need to tell in the argument place which value you are taking. Okay, so b equal to b I have taken, a equal to. So that's why if I change the position of the variable, then also output will generate same, just like b value. So here input command in the a only first. So a value is 67, b value is 45, right? And now b equal to b only I have written, a equal to a. You can change this one also, just like I have done here. Okay, so b equal to b, that means this is b value, this is a value, a minus b whenever you will do it. So then subtractions value will generate 22, right? So I have shown here in the all the three examples. First without input command, second with input command and different variables, third input command with same variables. So three parameters we have seen. First, default parameter, then positional parameter, and third, keyword parameter. What is the difference between them? We will tell in the comment section.